loves! This is Eds. I will be showing you how I make my baklava for the first time. Let's prepare our syrup. We need a saucepan. Combine sugar, water, lemon juice, and honey. Stir together and let it boil. I have here a pack of Phyllo that I thaw overnight and I let them sit in a room temperature for an hour. I will cut my Phyllo according to the size of my baking dish. Our syrup is now boiling. Turn off the heat and set this aside. Let's combine the melted butter and the vegetable oil. Brush your pan or your baking dish with melted butter. We can now start layering out 8 sheets of Phyllos, and we are going to butter in between layer of every Phyllos. Just be gentle on brushing because the Phyllo is so thin and delicate. I have here a chopped pistachios, which I will combine with a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Let's put half of our chopped pistachios over the 8 sheets of Phyllos. Spread them evenly. We are making 2 layers of it, separated by 10 sheets of Phyllos, all buttered and topped with 8 sheets of Phyllos. Don't get confused. It's 8 layers of Phyllo, first layer of chopped pistachios, 10 layers of Phyllos, second layer of chopped pistachios, and 8 layers of Phyllos. Carefully cut this according to your desired size. Brush the remaining butter on top of the Phyllo, and this is ready for the preheated oven. Bake in 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes and while still hot, pour over the syrup on this beautiful baklava. The hardest part of this, my loves, is waiting, but I'm sure this is worth it. Let it sit for 6 hours or overnight in a room temperature before you serve this. Sweetest Banana enjoyed it. I know you will.